What's up guys, welcome to today's video. We are in the good old WRX wagon and we're actually going to a friend's house that has a little private rally track that's covered in snow. So me and Jimmy are gonna take our WRXs out and go thrash them for the first time ever. I know there's a jump there. I'm excited to hit the jump, but before we go, I'm doing probably one of the coolest things I'll do all day. And I'm picking my girlfriend up from work in this sweet hot rod. She's so embarrassed of me. Uh-oh.
What's up?
Did you break down?
No, we were waiting for you.
Oh, were you?
Yo, this looks awesome.
Thanks.
Yo.
I need to get out and take a photo right now.
Okay.
You wanna know the funniest thing, Jimmy? Imagine the embarrassment of being picked up at work in this thing.
Oh, I'm so sorry, Bridget.
Yeah.
Alright, we haven't even gotten to the track yet. We're on a road that says no winter maintenance. First snow for the Subaru. I'm so happy about this. It's probably more fun than the track's gonna be. I think we've made it. I guarantee you he's gonna go full send right off the bat. Look, jump, jump, jump! Oh yeah. Oh, he's ripping! It looks so fun.
Yeah, dude.
Oh my god.
That's where I'm going. Stupid.
I can't see. Oh god. I can't see. Help. I can't see anything. Probably just the power steering leak.
Yeah, it looks like it. It's probably his power steering fluid getting like just hitting the fucking motor.
I don't know what.
That's the money you want to take.
So this is our friend Mike's STI, who is letting us come out here and drive with him. Look how the coolest thing is on rally wheels and proper tires with all the fog lights and everything. He's about to give Jimmy a ride, and you guys will see how this is supposed to look. I mean, technically he is a local. So good. Mike, you were saying that you made this bash bar in the front?
My guys did, Tim and John.
So cool. I'm gonna try to do my own kind of ghetto fabricated one, but I don't think it's gonna come out that nice. And this is something that you can just order, or?
We found there's a guy. It's funny. I think I think Ken Block just put that on his car. 500 bucks, fiberglass housing.
It's cool. It's like an old like Group B style.
Exactly.
This thing's so cool. Thank you again for having us out.
Yeah, my pleasure.
Oh, I knew that was gonna happen. I knew it was gonna happen. For the photo. Oh, damn. Get it, LZ. I think that was it. I think that was it. Tries to plug second. I hope you like that because I just got covered in mud for you.
Thanks, brother.
Got you.
Did you get the full lap?
Oh yeah,
Sick.
Looking good.
Thanks, brother. A lot slower than I anticipated. I wasn't expecting mud.
Right.
Like for some reason, I mean, obviously it's mud because snow melts and stuff, but that was so fun. No issues. I thought it would be coming home broken. See, I was expecting when we would like go to jump these things, we would wind up on something that's not meant for jumping. And then they would probably break. Did we take this one before? This is cool. When he's out. This is some rally, brother. Sessional rally stage. Technically speaking, I think I had more issues than you, and I didn't expect that to be that way. I thought your car would be the one with issues.
Not my exhaust fell off. Well, it didn't fall off. It separated. That's the only thing. So it just got a little bit loud. I got a little more Subaru-y.
And I just had the power steering leak.
Yeah, that wasn't too bad. So I think we did pretty good today.
Today was very, very big success. Other than smashing my head in the back of Jimmy's car and splitting it open, I had a lot of fun. And I gotta say, I kind of like to put myself in other people's shoes, right? And a lot of the cars I drive around, I get looks from people on the side of the road. And I want to say that out of all the cars that I own, if this one drove past me, I would be the most jealous, because this thing covered in mud just screams, I had so much fun. I've seen like 8 people in the past 10 minutes that I've passed with the biggest grins on their face, just going like, yo, that dude had some fun. And we did for sure. My dad hasn't seen a Subaru yet, and he's about to pull down and check it out.
Went from a Prelude to a wagon.
Hey, relax, dude. Chill. So I mentioned to you guys the other day that I had wheels and tires that I actually got for my Evo that I'll be able to put on as long as I can get some adapters, which I already got. So we got these bad boys with some knobby Blizziks, so when it snows, she'll be perfect. Pretty light, good specs. It'll be a little bit pokey when the adapter's on it, but should look pretty cool. Let's see if she likes the sound of Subarus. You still want to go for a ride after that? Yeah?
All I have to do is say, go for a, she'll pop right over you.
She's like, I want to go, 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 I want to go. You like Subarus that much, you crazy dog?
I see the throwback with me.
What are you doing? Get out of here, dog. No. No, 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 no. Out. Get out of here. Get out.
Gracie, let's go.
What are you doing, dog? You know, it was a successful off-roading trip when the steering wheel is shaking because of all of the dirt in the wheels. The whole car is vibrating like crazy. It's so brutal, it feels like the steering wheel is about to fall off. Look at this. As we're driving on this very scenic back road in Connecticut, I think it's about time to wrap up this video. Tomorrow, what you guys can expect, I think me and Jimmy are going to try to build our own bash bars. We're going to start to do some lighting mods. But man, like, we've put so little time and money into these things, and they're so fun. I've been loving this. Make sure you guys let us know if you're liking the videos. Make sure you smash a thumbs up. I'm excited to watch this footage and edit this video. It was a blast. Big thank you to Mike, and we will see you tomorrow.